This is a video you can't miss. In just moments, rethink equipment safety. ACTi equipment status monitoring keeps every camera, NVR, and access device in check, detecting issues instantly and keeping protection continuous. First, real-time monitoring and alerts. ACTi connects access control, cameras, and sensors to instantly detect disconnections or overheating. Once detected, alerts reach the control center immediately. In any building, factory, or parking gate, managers react at once. It's proactive protection, not just monitoring. Next, maintenance efficiency boost. ACTi automatically records health data to predict failures and schedule maintenance. Factories plan ahead, buildings maintain by data, and parking lots reduce downtime. Smart maintenance saves time, money, and effort, all at once. Finally, centralized management platform. ACTi unifies monitoring across multiple sites and systems. Managers view all device statuses from one interface. Whether factory, mall, or parking area, one login, full control. Centralized management speeds decisions and boosts efficiency. Why ACTi? Compared to Axis, it offers equal or stronger features while saving 30 to 50% in cost. Seamless integration, no extra license or maintenance fees. System integrators earn more, users save more. Less cost, less risk, more performance. Security starts with monitoring, but true protection means real-time awareness. Choose ACTi, the smart way to ensure every device self-checks, alerts instantly, and runs non-stop. Zero downtime, zero risk, that's the ACTi promise.